energy wisely.
This one.
Click consuming energy.
All right.
Okay. Okay, play the video. Click how to save energy.
Wait.
Okay. Yes. Click the link.
Can see?
Not yet.
Wait. Wait.
Click the sign that looks like paperclip. That one. This
Just a
one.
second. I just want to share screen at the YouTube. Just wait.
Okay.
Okay, press this one. A tab. How to
Okay.
save energy and save. Share.
Okay.
See?
All right. Full screen.
Full screen. Okay. And
Okay. All
also
right.
play.
Play. Yes. Thank you. Okay. Let's watch this video first.
Energy. Without it, absolutely nothing would happen.
Can
The
hear?
sun gives us two kinds of energy,
Okay.
light energy and heat energy. At night, electrical energy powers our light bulbs and appliances. There are two kinds of energies, renewable energy and non-renewable energy. Sunshine, wind, water, plants. The flow of energy from these guys never stops. Oil, coal, natural gas, atomic energy. There's a limit to these energies. These energies can be all used up. If we use too much, there'll be none left. So we really should make sure we're not using too much energy, shouldn't we? Does anybody know how we can use energy the smart way? If you're leaving a room for more than 5 minutes, don't forget, turn the light off. And on a sunny day, why not open the curtains and just use natural light? It's simple. Take out incandescent light bulbs and switch them to compact fluorescent bulbs. These use a lot less energy. Just turn off the TV when you're not watching it. Turn the heating down. If it's cold, wear more clothes. And when it's hot, try using a fan. When you're not using them, why not unplug some machines, like computers, TVs, radios, and video game systems? Something we all need to know, even after charging your phone, your charger will continue to use energy. So unplug it. Water is precious. Energy is needed to clean it. So how about saving a little? Instead of taking a bath, take shorter showers. Try not to keep the water running while you're brushing your teeth. Drippy taps waste a lot of water. Just think, a leaking tap wastes enough water to fill a soda bottle every 30 minutes. Set your washing machine to wash at 30 degrees Celsius. Dry your clothes outside instead of using a tumble dryer. Close the fridge door and never put a hot meal in the fridge. It takes a lot of energy to cool it down. Do you know about Energy Star labels? Well, products with Energy Star labels use much less energy than the others. Keep an eye out for them when you're shopping. And how about riding a bike instead of driving? Being energy smart means doing little things that are important, like using both sides of a piece of paper. And if you can reuse something instead of throwing it away, please do. Want to know something funny? All of these tips won't just help save energy, they'll save you money too. Want to know more about energy? Check out another great video we made. What is
Okay.
energy? And if you're done with the computer, remember, shut it off.
Okay. Do you know how to click escape ESQ? Click ESQ at your keyboard.
Which one?
ESQ at the
ESQ?
keyboard.
ESC?
ESQ, ya Allah. ESC, sorry. ESC. Nah.
At seesaw.
Uh, no, do you know how to close the YouTube?
Presenting.
Yeah.
Yeah?
You
know.
can
Stop
stop
presenting.
presenting, then close the YouTube. Okay, do not open the YouTube. Okay, So the video that we have watched together now about what? Kasih. Kasih Alicia. The video just now talking about what?
Saving electronics.
Saving, how to use electronics so that we can save. Save what?
Energy.
Save energy. Good job. Thank you, Kasih and Amal. Okay, so just now we have watched a video together. For those who did not have problem with your camera, please turn on your camera. Teacher want to see you. Okay.
Teacher, I don't know what's my tudung.
Okay, go find your tudung. Alright, if you don't have any problem with your camera, please turn on your camera because remember teacher mentioned about learning style yesterday. I told you my learning style is visual and auditory, right? So in order to communicate with you effectively, teacher want to see your face. I need to see your face. Okay? So please turn on your camera if you don't have any problem with it. Okay? Alright. So just now we have watched a video, okay, about how to use, okay, electrical objects in our house so that we can save energy. So anyone remember the first step, okay, how we want to save energy? Can you click the raise hand button if you remember? How to save energy? They mentioned, I think just now that teacher remember around 5. Okay, what is? Okay, so the first one, click the raise hand button. If you remember, tell teacher 1 only. Teacher 1. 1. How to save the energy in your house? Okay, Kalish? Oh, but you can.
You need to open the chat.
Oh, okay. Kalish cannot turn on the microphone, right? Okay, teacher already opened the chat. Okay, type. Yes, Amal. How to save energy? Just now. When that related to our phone. What is it? Yes, Adam Iman?
Don't use
Don't you?
don't put hot food in the refrigerator. It will
Okay,
break.
correct. Okay,
No,
Amal and Auf have the same answer, correct. Okay. Turn off your stuff when you're not using what stuff? Okay.
like your light bulb.
Yes, the light, television, don't take long showers, okay? So, but since we are Muslim, okay, we need to be clean all the time. So, it's okay for you to take a bath, but do not waste water. When you're brushing your teeth, turn off the tap for a while. Yes, Adam Iman?
Turn off the video game when it's not using.
Okay, correct. The video game, the computer, right? If you're not using it, turn off right away. Kali said turn off the light, correct? When you want to go out from your room or from your classroom, you have to turn off the light. So that we can save energy. Okay, those are the example that the video shared. But for those who still don't understand, what should we do to save energy? Okay, teacher provided the video in Seesaw, so it's okay, later you can watch again, no problem, right? So today what we are going to learn about is how to use the energy wisely. Yesterday we have learned about we have 2 type of energy. Akif Razin, can Akif Razin tell teacher the first type of energy that we have? Akif Razin. We have 2 type. We learned about yesterday. Okay, Kalish, type in the chat box. The first one. Kinetic form of energy, sayang. Type of energy source that we have learned yesterday.
Here, renewable.
Renewable, correct. Faris, thank you. Arif nampak ya. Akil said. Waalaikumsalam, Jadi. Akil said renewable and non-renewable, correct. Afiq Shamil said renewable. Kalish Dennis said non-renewable, non-renewable, correct. It's okay if you don't know how to spell, it's okay. Correct. So, Ayuni said none. None what? So, yesterday we have learned about 2 type of energy source. renewable and non-renewable. So, what is meant by renewable energy, Amir Shazwan? Renewable energy, Amir Shazwan? What is meant by renewable? Renewable energy, renewable energy. Hmm. Energy that what?
Saja je, saya nak pergi ambil buku saya je.
Energy that can be generated continuously and always available.
Correct. Good job, Amir Shazwan. So everyone remember, renewable energy is energy that is always available that we can generate them continuously. But for non-renewable energy, they are opposite. One tips and trick for you to remember in science, okay? If we want to compare two definition, just memorize one. Then the other one, you just remember, oh, the other one is just the opposite. So up to you if you want to memorize about renewable or non-renewable. So the other one you just can remember that, oh, the other one is just the opposite. Let's say if you want to memorize about renewable, right? So memorize one only. Renewable energy is the energy that we can generate continuously and always available. How about non-renewable? The opposite of that. We cannot generate them and they are very limited. That's all. Okay, that is how you want to memorize the definition in science. If we're about to compare two things, remember one, then the other one is just remember that is opposite of what we have memorized. Okay. All right, so teacher will share the screen with you. Robi Asir Wala to Asir. Hopefully you guys can see my screen clearly. Hopefully there's no lagging anymore. I'm so sorry for the inconvenience. Okay, so teacher can see some of you start typing about game in the chat box. We don't have blue card today, but teacher prepare quiz for you. So later we play quiz together. Okay. Have game today. Don't be sad. Have game here. Teacher prepare game quiz. Quiz show.
Teacher kita nak quiz yang boleh kita boleh main sama-sama.
Yelah, quiz sama-sama. Later for our revision, we will do together. Okay, don't worry. For my class, teacher know what I'm doing. Okay. So, if we play games together, later when teacher give you question, you don't know the answer, then you will complain to teacher, I didn't understand yet. So teacher will try to help you to understand first. After you understand the concept of what we're learning, then we can play game. Okay, so teacher don't have to help you while reading the question anymore. Yes, Safia, microphone off please, Safia. Okay, microphone off please. Alright, so do not turn on your microphone unless if teacher call your name. Okay, so teacher off the chat box for a while, later teacher will open again. Okay, so what we are learning about today is how to save energy, how to use the energy wisely. Okay, so once again, teacher will remind you, if you didn't join the previous class, please watch the recorded video. Okay. So yesterday we have learned about renewable and also non-renewable energy. I already teach you how to memorize just now. Just memorize one. Okay, let's say if you memorize renewable energy, so the non-renewable energy is the opposite. Okay, if renewable energy can be replaced and also always available, okay, available, non-renewable energy cannot be replaced and limited. Okay. So renewable energy also called as green energy. Why? Because it didn't cause any pollution. These are the examples of renewable energy that we have learned yesterday. Okay. So make sure you can identify what is renewable energy and what is non-renewable energy. Okay, teacher want you to understand and focus as well, right? So it's okay, don't worry. Teacher will let you play games, right? But we cannot have game every day. Okay, teacher already divided my class into enhancement activity and also games. So don't worry, I know what I'm doing. Okay. So this one is the example of non-renewable energy. Non-renewable energy. Okay, so this energy, okay, they are very limited and one day we will run out of this energy. Okay. So this one, all right, the importance of using energy wisely. Okay, so some of the energy that we use now, okay, for our car, for our motorcycle, all right, they are non-renewable, all right, they are non-renewable. So we need to use them wisely, okay, so that we can save some of those energy. Right. So what happen if we use the energy wisely? Okay, the first one, those non-renewable resources can last longer. Because one day, okay, those source of energy are very limited. So one day we will run out of those energy. So if we use them wisely, they will last longer. Then next one, so we know that non-renewable energy can cause pollution, opposite to the renewable energy. Renewable energy cause pollution or not? Muhammad Khalif, Muhammad Azim. Khalif, renewable energy cause pollution or not? Renewable. Ayuni, renewable energy cause pollution or not? Renewable energy, we call it as green energy. So it can cause pollution or not.
No.
No, okay, it won't cause pollution. Right. So that's why I'm teaching you using books, all right, using slides, so that when I ask you question, you can answer. Not playing games all the time, but when teacher asks you important question, you cannot answer. Okay. So for renewable energy, they are called green energy because it didn't cause any pollution. For example, water, okay, wind, they didn't cause any pollution. Okay, for water pollution, human who create that pollution, right? So for non-renewable energy, okay, non-renewable energy, they can pollute our environment. So by using non-renewable energy wisely, we can reduce environmental pollution. We can reduce the pollution. So next one, we can also avoid the energy wastage. Okay. Last one, of course, if we use the energy and things around us wisely, we can save our money as well. For example, if we do recycling, okay, don't just throw things after you cannot, after you're done with that, you can save your money. Okay. All right. So for the importance of saving energy, okay, you guys still can see my screen. Can you show teacher thumbs up? Yes. Yes. Okay. Thank you, everyone. Okay. Teacher just want to check. Okay. So, uh, the activity that we are going to do together today, right? I mentioned just now that for individual self-learning activity today, okay, you guys can choose whether you want to stay in the class, do together with teacher, or you want to leave the class and do on your own. But your attendance today, okay, after you send your work in Seesaw, teacher will take your attendance. If you didn't send, no attendance for today, okay? Why teacher do this? Because teacher want to train you how to extract the information from the internet, not just play games from the internet. You can play games, but for learning, teacher want to train you. Okay, we can practice together how to extract the information from the internet. So after you complete with your poster for today, after you send to teacher, then teacher will take your attendance. If you have any problem, tell teacher. We'll try to figure out together. Okay? Alright, so just now in the video, it's already mentioned that what you can do to save energy. Okay, you already mentioned just now at the previous slide, and also when we start our class, when teacher asks you question, you already told me to switch off the light. Okay, your computer, your gadget, the charger, if you didn't use, and do not put hot food in the fridge. Okay, do not open your fridge frequently. Okay, because it can waste energy. So this one, teacher prepared two example that we can do. Okay, to save more energy, all right? Let's say you because now the weather are very hot sometimes, so you can open the window to let the fresh air to come inside the house. Then if you want to go to the nearby place, okay, you can use bicycle. Okay, rather than using car or your motorbike. So these are example of what we can do to save our earth, to save the energy. Okay, so now, activity in seesaw. If you check your seesaw activity, teacher will explain to you how to do this activity. Okay. This one, consuming energy wisely. If you click, alright, if you read the instruction, you need to find the information, okay, about the innovation in the consumption of energy sources in the future. What people, okay, already created so that we can save energy. Innovation. What did they create? Alright. So teacher already provide the template for you to do in Seesaw. After you're done, click the button, you click button add response, okay, to answer, to complete your poster. Then after you're done, click send to teacher, then teacher take your attendance after I receive your poster. Okay, so I think it's the best if we can do together now because this one, wait, I show you. Okay, let's say teacher click add response, then you can choose your name. Alright, so you will see this template. Okay, teacher asks you to find information about the innovation. Okay, innovation. So do you want to start now? Find the information about innovation that people created to save energy. Teacher have one web page, okay, that can help you, right? So if you couldn't find, later teacher will give you the link so that you can read. Okay. So in this website, okay, they share with you 8 energy saving solution, 8 innovation that can help to save energy. Right. So the first one, you guys can see. Can you read? Okay, try to read and find what did they create in the first paragraph. Teacher will open the chat box so that you can write in the chat box later. Okay, wait. Teacher open the chat box so that you can write what can you obtain from the reading. Okay, first paragraph first. First paragraph. Okay, yes. Yes. You can hear someone raise up your hand just now. Yes, Kalish. What did they invent? What innovation did they invent? The first one.
Wireless sensors.
Okay, teacher can hear word sensor just now.
New wireless sensors.
Wireless sensor, correct. So wireless sensor that you see on the market today, okay, wireless sensor, it can help to save the energy. Right. So this one is the first innovation. Can anyone write in the chat box wireless sensors so that it's easier for you to refer on when you want to complete your poster letter. Write wireless sensors. Okay, so this is the first innovation. Good job, everyone. Second one. What is the innovation for the second one?
Cik, the first one cik, apa lagi cik? The first one cik tadi cakap tu.
Wireless sensors. Wireless sensors.
Mana cik?
This one. Wireless sensor. Ah. Okay, second one. You don't have to write inside the book, just write in the chat box. Yeah. Yes, Nafal? Heat pump system. Correct, Kalish. Good job. Good job, everyone. Ayuni as well. Heat pump system. So the second one, they invent the efficient heat pump system to warm and cool your home. Okay, by moving the heat to one space. One space from one space to another. So the heat pump that they create, okay, can reduce primary energy consumption by 30%. So this is the second innovation, right? Natural gas heat pump and air conditioner. Okay, all right. So second one, we have heat pump, all right, that can cool our home. Right. The third one. What is the third one? The third innovation.
A new type of clothing dryer.
New type of clothes dryer. What type? What type?
So, for the first paragraph,
Carbon fighting
uh,
clothes dryers.
Yes, carbon fighting dryers. Yes, Zafif?
for the first paragraph,
Hmm.
wireless sensor, right?
Correct.
Number paragraph number 2, heat pump system and air conditioner.
Yes, correct.
Okay.
Number three, okay, because some of us we didn't dry our clothes outside anymore. We just use dryer inside. Jaden microphone Jaden. Okay, we didn't dry our clothes outside anymore. Some of us we dry our clothes inside the house. Okay, so it can help to make the work easier for our parents, right? To dry the clothes. After we wash them, we can right away dry them. We don't have to hang them to dry them outside. But okay, the carbon fighting clothes dryer can keep, all right, can keep our home safe, and also can help to reduce the energy consumption, right? So this one, they create the new type of clothes dryer, carbon fighting, that can pump the cycle to generate hot air needed for drying, because in order for us to dry the clothes inside the dryer, okay, we need to use the hot air inside, right? So this type of dryer that they created, okay, can help to reduce the energy consumption. So the third one is carbon fighting cloth dryer. Okay, so next one, number 4. What do we have? Innovation for number 4. Innovation for number 4. What do we have? Hmm. What do we have?
Magnetic refrigerators.
Magnetic refrigerators.
That's right, magnets.
Yes, magnets. So just now teacher mentioned about do not leave your fridge door open. Do not frequently open your fridge door. Okay, it can help to save energy. So magnetic refrigerator, it will be more efficient, and also the bills, electrical bills at your house will be lower, and also less carbon pollution. And the dryer, right, the refrigerator, it can emit the carbon to the atmosphere. So the innovation that they did, okay, that they created to help to make sure less pollution in our atmosphere. So the fourth one, magnetic refrigerator. Next one, number 5. What do we have for number 5? What do we have for number 5? What do we have for number 5?
Advanced window controls.
Window control. So advanced window controls, what did they do? They use sensors. Okay, they will use sensor to adjust the shading. Based on what? Based on the available amount of available sunlight. Okay, so this one can help to save energy and money as well. So advanced window control, they will adjust your window according to availability of sunlight that day. Okay, this one can help to save money and energy. So because for example, if we didn't open our window, so we will open the aircon all the time, right? So sometimes we need to open the window and let the fresh air to come as well. Okay, so next one, number 6.
Teacher, number 5 is what?
Number 5, advanced window controls. Window controls.
Window controls, okay.
Okay, so number 6. Number 6, what do we have for number 6? Read first, number 6. Number 6, what do we have?
Next gen insulation.
Yes, next gen insulation, correct. So what is insulation? Okay, so at some house, all right, they need heating and also cooling materials. Heating they use during winter. We in Malaysia, we didn't have winter, all right, so that's why we just need the water heater in our bathroom. Okay, so this cooling and heating, all right, cooling and heating materials, okay, sometimes it will consume a lot of energy. So they create next gen insulation, all right, to reduce the cost that the owner of the house have to pay. Okay, so what is insulation? We using the hot weather or cold weather. Okay, so for example, right, the insulation that environmentally friendly, okay, they have advanced composite material. What did they do? They ensure heat doesn't escape. Escape from where? From the wall. Ensure heat doesn't escape from wall and other areas of home during cold winter. So the insulation, people that live in the country that have winter and also cold weather have them. Okay, so insulation. All right. So number 7, what do we have? Number 7.
Teacher, acoustic materials. Insulation.
Yes, insulation. Okay, number 7, reflective roofing materials. Okay, so cool roof, alright. This one they create an innovation, okay, to absorb less heat. To absorb less heat, so your house will be cooler. Okay, so when the sunlight hit the roof, okay, it will be reflected. It will be reflected. So these reflective roofing materials, it can reflect up to 4 times the amount of sunlight. Okay, when the sunlight hit your house roof, it will be reflected. Okay, so it can help to make your roof cooler. Okay.
So number 7 is cool roof or reflective roofing materials.
Correct. Reflective roofing materials. Last one, number 8. Last one, number 8. Read first. What do we have?
Brighter, better lighting.
Yes, they use LEDs, okay? LED. So LED, 85% less energy than incandescent bulb. The one that we use, okay, is consume less energy. As LED, they consume less energy. So these are the 8 innovation, alright, to save energy. To save our money. Okay. So now what you have to do, you have to complete this one. So the info that you get from the website, the one that we read together, now you have to transfer the information that you have into here. Okay, like yesterday, you can design your poster however you want it to be. Okay, if you want to draw, if you want to add pictures, you may do so. So we have 8 innovation. You guys are chit chatting in the chat box. Okay.
Teacher, number 8.
Uh,
Teacher, can you close the chat box?
okay.
Bright,
Yes, Afif.
better lighting.
LED light. Number 8, LED light.
Oh, okay.
LED light, they consume less energy. Okay, so number one. Ryan is here today. Ryan, can Ryan tell teacher what is the number one, the first innovation to save energy, Ryan? Ryan Ramli?
Teacher, just now I joined a bit late, so
Oh, you just joined?
yeah. Not just joined, like past 15 minutes, so I don't know the first one. Wireless
Okay, just now, the 8 innovation. Wireless what, Nafa? Wireless?
sensor.
Sensors. So the first one, wireless sensors. Okay. So later teacher will paste the link of this website. Okay, so that you can refer later when you want to complete your poster. So today I'm training you to do the extracting materials. We take materials from internet, then we transform them in poster because you guys are primary 4 already. Okay, number 2. What is number 2? Yes, Kalish. Oh, Kalish cannot turn on the microphone. Teacher turn off the chat box. Christina, do you remember number 2?
No.
No, you don't remember.
System.
Number 2, heat pumps. Ultra efficient heat pump. Okay. Ultra efficient heat pump.
Teacher, can I just write heat pump system?
Can, no problem. Okay. So number three, dryers. Okay, carbon fighting clothes dryers. Okay, so you cannot write just dryers here because dryer we have many type. So carbon fighting clothes dryers are especially the best because they design to make sure, okay, less carbon is emitted to our environment. Okay, so you need to write carbon fighting clothes dryer.
Teacher,
Yes.
do we have to write that in our practical book?
No, you don't have to write this in our practical book, but you have to write about this information in your poster in Seesaw. After you send the poster to teacher, then teacher will take your attendance. If you didn't send, no attendance for today, okay? Because yesterday teacher noticed some of you didn't send your worksheet. So I will do this for our class today. Right. Next one, number 4. Magnetic. Magnetic what?
Magnetic refrigerator.
Yes. So number 4, magnetic refrigerators. So, astaghfirullah. Okay, so this one, okay. Let's say if you wanna find a picture of this material letter, okay, you can find a picture and put it in your poster like you did yesterday. Up to you, however you want to decorate your poster. Okay. After magnetic fridge, what else do we have? We have advanced window controls that use what? What the window control use? Yes, Arayan?
Teacher,
Hmm.
uh, ni semua kena tulis kat seesaw.
This one, you can write all, or you want, or if you want to choose four, you can choose four to write in your poster in Seesaw.
Okay.
Okay.
Teacher,
All yes.
is it okay if I only type window controls?
Window controls. Window controls. No, you have to write advanced because they use sensors.
Okay.
Yes, because they use sensors to detect the sunlight, right? To adjust the window. So you need to write the full name. Okay, so next one, next gen insulation. So next gen insulation, you need to write the full name as well because insulation, okay, we have many types. So let's write the full name. Next gen insulation. Okay, number 7. We have 8. Okay, the teacher share with you 8. So you can choose 4, or if you want to write all, you can write all. So reflective roofing material. What reflective roofing materials do? What did they do? What did they do? The sunlight.
They reflect the sun.
Yes, they reflect the sunlight. Good job, Ryan. Thank you. So the reflective roofing material, they can reflect, okay, up to 4 times the sunlight compared to the other roofing material. Okay, so it can help to keep your house and also your roof cooler. The last one. What do we have for the last one? Brighter, better lighting. What did they use? They use LED. So it consumes 80% less energy compared to another bulb that we used to use before. Okay, so they use LEDs. Okay. Yes, Ryan?
Teacher, what is everything that you is the things now? The
Huh?
LEDs. The LED.
This one.
What is the light emitting diode?
Okay,
Is
this
it
one, LED is the short name. LED is short name. The longer name is light emitting diodes.
no
Okay,
no
this
no.
one.
I mean emitting diode is. What is that?
Oh, this one is the material that they use to create the LED.
Oh.
Hmm.
How
So
to pronounce the D word?
diodes.
Oh,
Okay.
okay.
So this one, the shorter name. Okay, so people just usually call it as LED. Okay, the colorful light that you see, right? Some of it come from LED.
Teacher,
Okay.
is it okay if I type LED
Can
lights?
can LED because it's already common for us to use, so you can use LED, no problem. So LED usually consume less energy compared to the other bulb that we used before. So now what you have to do is transform the information. Teacher will paste this link, okay, in the chat box. So you can open this link, all right? So you can use the information that you get from the link to transform into your poster. You can do now. You can do now. Send to teacher. Then after you send, teacher will take your attendance. Okay, start now. Start now in Seesaw. Yes, Kalish. Teacher open the chat box. Right. Okay, do now. For teacher, for mine, I will do as well. Okay, for my poster, teacher will do as well. So they said just now we need to use fridge, right? What kind of fridge is the best for us? What kind of fridge is the best? Hello, what kind of fridge is the best?
Magnetic.
Magnetic. Thank you, Adam Iman. Magnetic. Magnetic fridge.
Teacher me done.
Huh?
Teacher I'm done.
Done. Is it so? Is it so?
Maybe. Yes.
Yes, you already sent to teacher. If you send to teacher, teacher will ada assignment done as well. Is it right inside the bulb? No, you can write outside the bulb. Ultra efficient heat pump. Ultra efficient heat pump. Heat pump. This one. Heat pump. What is the function of heat pump? Okay. So the function of heat pump, okay, so that it can regulate the temperature inside your house. To keep your house when you need your house to be warm or cool, okay, it can help to regulate the temperature. How? They move heat from one space to another. So you can regulate the heat, the temperature inside your house. So your house won't be too hot or too cold. Okay?
Teacher,
Yes, Nafas.
you need to do skill hebat.
You need to what?
Do skill hebat.
Skill hebat. Okay, skill hebat page 50. If you're done in Seesaw, if you already sent to teacher, do page 50 in your skill hebat book. 50.
Okay. After and then do I need to send at seesaw?
No, skill hebat you don't have to send. Skill hebat we
Okay.
discuss together after this. Okay. Alright. Oh, you want to see my drawing here?
Teacher, I just took pictures at the internet.
No problem. No
Teacher,
problem.
I write magnetic refrigerator.
Can?
Refrigerator.
Can Wafi? Can? If you guys want to find picture from internet, you can find. If you want to draw, you can draw. No problem. Teacher draw because I don't want to find the pictures. Give it. Okay, so teacher, I just draw for fun. If you want to find a picture from internet, you may do so. No problem. Okay, so magnetic fridge is one of the example that we can use to save energy. Second one. Okay, so second one just now they have LED.
Cik, you need to draw also, Cik.
No, I told you I do this for fun. But if you want to find picture from internet, you can do so.
Teacher, skill hebat page what?
50.
50.
50. Okay, so the minimum for you to draw, oh no, minimum for you to put inside your poster 4, okay, not less than 4. 4 is minimum. If you want to put 8, you can put 8, but 4 is minimum. 1 cannot, 2 cannot, 3 cannot, 4 or more. Okay, fridge, LEDs, then dryer. Teacher want to do dryer because teacher like light dryer. I don't have to do much work to dry my clothes. But we need to choose the one that carbon fighting friendly so that it can.
Just use the sun.
Yeah, sun is yeah.
Just use the sun.
All 8 of them?
Teacher told you just now, not more than 4. Not more than 4.
If you use dryer, then you have to pay more.
Listen, Zara. Later teacher will explain why. Okay, Zafif, you can do 4 or 5 or 6 or 7 or 8. Okay, so up to you how many you want to choose.
Okay.
Okay, but not less than 4. Zara, okay, so why some people use dryer? Let me tell you. Okay, so some condominium and apartment, all right, they don't have enough space for them to dry the clothes, all right. For us, okay, if our house have enough space to hang the clothes, to dry them using the sun, then it's good for us. Okay, but not everyone living the same life like us. Okay, so that's why some people buy dryer to dry their clothes. But yeah, this dryer can emit lots of carbon to our atmosphere. That's why if we think, okay, let's say that just use sun, you don't have to pay for the dryer. But some people, okay, they don't have that privilege. Okay, so everyone is not living the same life. That's why some people they use dryer, okay, so that they won't have to hang their clothes at the window and all. Yeah, that's why people invent the dryer. Carbon fighting dryer. Dryer we have many types. So carbon fighting dryer is the best for our environment.
Dryer expensive.
Correct, dryer expensive. But what to do? Some people they don't have space to dry their clothes, so they don't want to hang their clothes at the window at the door of their apartment. Okay, so they use dryer to save the space. Okay, so next one. Teacher will use four. So you guys what can choose four, five, six, or seven, or eight, but not less than four. Okay. Next one, advanced window control. Teacher choose this. Okay. I draw just for fun because I like drawing. So if you don't like drawing, take picture from internet also can. Okay, so after you send your poster to teacher, then only teacher will take your attendance, okay? I'm showing you how to do this now, so you don't have any excuse to tell teacher, I don't know how to do.
Can I computer?
Huh?
Can I copy?
Can? I make the work easy for you. Okay, so just now who else just say in the chat box just now? Said you already done. So teacher just draw this for fun. Okay, so if you don't want to draw, no problem. Just use pictures from internet. Right, so this one for those who didn't have the book. For those who have book, please do inside your book. Okay, if you do in seesaw, this one teacher provide for those who didn't have the book. If you do in seesaw, later when you check your book at the end of the year, okay, you say that I didn't do anything with teacher Diha, my book is empty. The teacher already reminds you every day to use your book if you have your book. That day someone said to teacher, I love to do in seesaw because it's easier to write using computer rather than using pencil to write inside my book. Hmm. But you need to use your book, okay? Because we cannot go at school. We couldn't conduct physical class. So please do what teacher asks you to do. Okay, if you write inside your book, it's easier for you to do revision later. If you write in seesaw, later you will forget. Where is this activity?
Teacher, I'm done.
Done, okay. Done in skill hebat book?
Yes.
Yes.
Advanced window control. Please do.
Okay, for those already done, wait for a while, okay? So you guys have 5-minute break. We discuss at 9:40, 9:45 we discussed, 9:42 actually, but 9:45 we
Teacher,
discussed.
can you check my answer?
Already sent in seesaw?
Yes. Can
Yes,
you check?
okay. Or in chat box?
No, check. Can you check my answers?
Or check your answer in seesaw?
Yes.
Yes, can?
To be teacher.
Okay. So poster, okay, for a poster, Definition of poster, you need to grab people's attention when looking at your poster because you want to share the information, right?
Teacher, I'm
So,
done.
done. Okay, wait, I teacher check and take your attendance. Uh, the title, innovation. Page 50. After you're done, EC saw, do page 50. Innovation. Okay, so the attendance teacher will take for those who send your.
Teacher, I need to check.
Okay, Afiq Syamil already sent. Naufal, Akil Naufal, Haris Aiman. Afiq Syamil, Akil Naufal, Haris Aiman. The name that teacher already take, if you didn't send your worksheet, your poster letter, teacher will mark you as absent.
Teacher,
Yes.
for
Done.
page 50, do we also have to do number 2?
Number two, we are doing the poster now. Look at the look at the instruction of number 2. Similar or not? What we are doing at the poster?
Oh, yeah.
Because we couldn't do group activity at school, so teacher integrate this for you so that you can do the activity but individually. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Arayan. Allahu Rabbi. Arayan already sent as well. Okay. Teacher will take. Arayan. Okay. Alright. So I'm so sorry. Teacher have to do this today because I want you to do the activity. Yesterday teacher checked.
Teacher, I already sent.
Already sent. Okay.
Teacher.
Yeah. Okay. Ame already sent as well. Okay. Good job everyone. Those who already sent. Ame Shazwan, I think I already take your attendance just now. Yes. Okay. Before Abu Bakar. It's been so long since the last time teacher told you that I will take your work as attendance, but I couldn't do it because teacher really appreciate your effort in waking up early, then join my class. But today, I'm so sorry, I have to do it because teacher want you to do the activity that teacher give to you. Okay? Alright. Before Abu Bakar, 6 response
I
already.
am doing it.
Okay, alright. Jaden already, Koyim, Faris. Jaden.
That means I can leave Archie.
Not yet. Not yet.
Jadi lah, I want to do the skill hebat.
Yeah, page 50. Teacher already open the chat box or not? Yes. Okay. If you don't know how to do skill hebat, okay, those who already know how to do, you can help your friend. Okay. Help
Teacher,
your friend.
I already sent lah, je.
Discuss 9:45. 4 minutes more. So if you want to go to toilet or drink water, you may go first.
Teacher, I already sent.
Yeah, Zafir, teacher can see here.
Yeah.
Jaden, Koyim, Faris, teacher already take. Teacher have Koyim, teacher have Muammar have 2. Koyim, which one? Koyim, which one?
The one at the top.
This one?
Yes.
Teacher delete this one
Okay.
Okay. Okay, good job.
Teacher, I'm done.
Done. Okay, wait Naufal, Koyim, Kalish, Faris, Zafif.
Teacher, I already sent.
Okay, wait, let the teacher refresh. It's okay. If you already sent to teacher, don't worry. Teacher will take your attendance, alright? Zafif already sent. Poyim already. Jaden. Jaden, Naufal. Naufal, Kalish. Naufal. Naufal, Kalish, Danish. Teacher already take. Okay. So later teacher will keep refreshing. Okay, the work. So if you already sent, teacher will take your attendance. If you didn't send, no attendance for today. Okay, I'm so sorry. Teacher already mentioned in previous class, but I couldn't do it because I feel bad for you guys. But today teacher have to do it. Yeah, Adam Iman already sent. Okay, so for those who didn't send the worksheet, no attendance for today. Okay. All right. So we will discuss our skill hebat book at 9:45. This poster, teacher will wait until 12 p.m. tomorrow. Okay, 12 p.m. tomorrow. If no poster from you until 12 p.m. tomorrow, teacher will mark you as absent. I hope I made myself clear. Okay. Alright, so 9:45 we will discuss. Okay, teacher will stop recording for a while.